What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1982 D small date copper 3.1 gram penny. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so some of you may know, but if you come across a 1982 D penny and it weighs 3.1 grams, it's copper, and it is a small date penny, you have some big bucks on your hands. So I'm going to explain why right here. Okay, so in 1982, the U.S. Mint changed the layout of the Lincoln cent from a 95% copper planchet that weighed 3.1 grams to a 2.5 gram zinc planchet that actually was copper plated. And so there's 7 different types of the 1982 penny between the large and the small date. And actually, the 1982 was not supposed to be 3.1 grams. It was supposed to weigh 2.5 grams. So it is very, very rare if you find it in that weight. And sometimes people, can get a little confused between the large date and the small date. And I'm going to help you guys to know the difference between the two for future reference. Okay, guys, so right here, this is the 1982 D large date penny, and you can tell because of the 8 and the 2. On the large date, the circles are a little bit bigger on the 8 and the 2 is curved different. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the small date. So this right here is the small date. You see the difference in the 8, the top circle is smaller, and then the 2, it comes like straight down. Now, unfortunately, this one weighs only 2.5 grams, but if it weighed 3.1, I would have some big bucks on my hand, $18,000 worth to be exact. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always, always check your coins. Happy hunting. Peace.